Hey, good morning. This is Chris Menard. Today I'm going to show you how to do a video call inside of a Teams chat and 3 tips about sharing while you're in a video call. So I already have Teams running. I'm already over on chat. Here's Christian. If I want to call Christian right now, I'm going to do a video call. I could also do, by the way, an audio call, or I could just do a screen share. I'm going to do a video call.
Hello.
Hey, I'm recording, by the way. Just
Oh,
so you
hi.
know.
That's all right.
All right. I want to do 3 tips about sharing a screen while you're on a Teams call, video call. If you would first, do you have a PowerPoint handy?
Yeah, sure. Yeah,
Pull up your
I got one.
PowerPoint. And if some of you are
Okay, let
saying,
me.
what's so special about sharing PowerPoint, watch this because we're in
Uh,
Teams.
okay, let me just find quickly
Sure.
PowerPoint. Okay, here we go. Okay, it's uploading it now to Teams.
So it's actually taking your PowerPoint and putting it into Teams?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. All right.
All right. You see it?
I do see it. Let's see what I can do here. So you're sharing. If you would go to the next slide.
Yeah.
All right. And this is pretty cool. I know you can't see this, but in the bottom left corner, it says slide 2 of 17, and I have take control, but I am moving ahead in the presentation ahead of you. And are you
Right.
still on slide 2?
Yeah, I am. Yeah.
Okay, because it says presenter is on 2. Now,
Yeah.
do you have any options on your side?
Yeah, there's like an eye icon to prevent participants from moving through the presentation on their own. So if I tick that box now, it should bring you back to the second slide.
It did, and I don't have any arrows to move forward
Yeah.
and back. Okay, that's pretty cool. All right. So that is a cool way to share a PowerPoint presentation and have people move ahead of you or behind you. Um, I've got a message, by the way. Share disabled private viewing. You can't move through the
Yeah.
shared presentation on your own. Excellent. Okay, can you share something else? Hey, do me a favor.
Right.
I know I get this question a lot. People are saying, okay, I want to share a video, but the video plays and everyone can see it, but no one hears the audio. Can we cover that
Right.
one?
Yeah. Let me
It,
stop presenting this PowerPoint
yep. And hey,
and I can share my screen.
yeah, before you do it, can I mention one item? When you're sharing, do you have an option to share the desktop versus the window versus maybe Google Chrome
Oh,
or so you can
yeah,
pick what you
yeah.
want to share, right?
It's
Okay,
showing
good.
all my open windows and I
Yeah.
can either do the whole desktop or just the window. The
Okay.
window if I want.
Let me make one quick point for my subscribers. When you have the option to share, a lot of people are tempted, and I do this too, to share your entire screen. Here's one time I recommend you don't. I have a 27-inch monitor, but if the people I know that I'm sharing with have a 13-inch laptop or a 15-inch, the screen's not going to look good on their monitors. So sometimes it's better just to share. If you want to share Word or Excel or a browser window, just share that and keep it small so everyone can see it. That's what
Or
Christian's
you
going to do
can,
right now.
yeah, you can change your screen resolution prior to the call too. So then your screen's going to
Oh, that's a
be
good point.
more, yeah,
Okay.
more visible. So let me share my screen now. All right. You see it?
Not yet. There's a little delay here I've noticed this on Teams. Now I see it. Perfect.
Right. So yeah, so I've got a window in the middle of my screen and it's got a video that I can play. So if I play it now, let me
Okay.
just turn my volume down. Tell me if you hear the sound.
I hear nothing.
Okay. So let me turn on the sound. If you go to the top, there's this bar pops up, and it says I'm presenting, and it says there's an icon here that says include system audio, and
Yep.
that's crossed out, so it's not including the system audio. So if I turn this on and I play the video, you should hear the sound from this video.
This is a
Keep
video
playing.
about your announcement
Yeah,
from Zoom
Yes.
regarding Zoom bombing.
right. So
It's
that's how
working.
you do it.
In case people can't hear it,
Yeah.
but it's working. Cool. And just by chance, you pulled up a video of me. How nice. Thank you. All right.
Yeah.
That was really good. So those were your tips. Sharing a PowerPoint. People can participate and move ahead. Sharing just a window instead of sharing your screen. And using the system audio. Anything else you want to add to this about sharing?
No.
Okay. Hey, let's do one more. Share. I don't care what you share again. I want to take control. Let me just show people how to do that, just to cover that one. So Christian's going to share. And when he's sharing, I have down here in the bottom left, I have request control. I don't know if you can see that, so I'll do a screenshot in case you can't. And I can also just so you know this, whenever you're sharing, you can pull up the chat box and chat. There you go. All righty, you feel free to stop sharing. Hey, I appreciate it. I'll talk to you soon. All right. Thank you.
All right, bye.
Bye-bye.